Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to convert an image to a PDF using a super simple built-in tool in Windows, Microsoft Print to PDF. Whether you're working with JPGs or any other image file, this quick method will help you convert your pictures into a neat PDF in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, open your image file using your default image viewer. Right-click the file and select Open With if needed. Next, press Ctrl+P or click on the print icon. In the printer selection drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Before printing, adjust the settings if necessary, such as orientation or paper size. Once ready, click Print. A File Explorer window will pop up. Choose your desired location, name your file, and click Save. Your image is now a PDF. And that's it. A fast and hassle-free way to convert your image to PDF using Microsoft Print to PDF. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below.